Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss class 10th of topic sets, worksheet 2, Venn diagrams guys. So this is second worksheet. So find out the Venn diagrams below using set A, set B given in each problem. Okay, let's start. So first one guys, set A given as 8, 9, 14, 20, 11 and set B equal to 12, 20, 14, 4 and 2. So first of all we need to write the common elements in both the sets guys. So here, which is repeated in both the sets. So in this scenario 14 and 20 is repeated, right? So in this scenario 14 is repeated in set A and 20 also repeated in set B. So this one we will write in the middle of the region. Okay. So what are the elements left out other than 14 and 20? That one we will write in this region guys. So 8, 9, 11 is left out from set A. So this one we will write in this region. Okay. Now what are the elements left out in set B other than 14 and 20? 2, 4, 12. So this one we will write in this region. This is called only B region and this total part we call it as B region. So this part we call only B. Okay. So coming to second one. So set A is given as 20, 1, 15, 12 and 11 guys. And set B given as 4, 10, 12, 1 and 18. Okay. So first of all we need to write the common elements in both the sets, right? So which is repeated here? Here 1 is repeated in set A. Okay. 1 is repeated in set B also. And 12 is repeated in set A. 12 is repeated in set B also. So that one, these two elements will write in this region, in middle of the region. Okay. So what are the elements left out other than these two in set A? So 20, 15, 11. Okay. These three elements will write in this region. Will write in this region guys. So this is called only A region, A part. So what are the elements left out in set B other than 1 and 12? So 4, 10, 18 guys. That one will write in this region. Okay. Okay. So I hope you understand this sum. So coming to the third sum guys. So set A given as 16, 12, 5, 10 and 1. Set B given as 1, 2, 20, 15 and 10 guys. So among these two sets, which element is repeated? Which element is repeated more times? So here set A it was repeated, 1 is repeated, 1 is also repeated in set B, 10 is repeated, okay, and 10 is also repeated in set B. So that one we write in this region guys, in this middle region. So what are the elements left out in set A other than 1 and 10? 16, 12, 5. That one we write in this region. This is called only A region. This total we call A region. This one is called only A region. So what are the elements left out in set B other than 1 and 10? 2 is left out, 20 is left out, 15 is left out. That one we write in this part. Okay. So similarly we can write we can solve sum 4, 5 and 6 guys. Okay. So what is 4 given here? So all the given sums are similar pattern. So for any doubt you can comment me in the comment section. Okay, any doubt you can ask me in the class. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.